Hey, welcome back. So here's a problem I know a lot of you have run into. You're using VLOOKUP in Google Sheets, you type in your formula, hit enter, and you only get one result. But you know there are multiple matches in your data, so where did the rest go? That's exactly what we're solving today. I'm going to show you a simple formula that pulls back every single matching value at once. No complicated workarounds, no scripts, just one clean formula. Let's get into it. So imagine you have a list of names in one column. Let's say it's a list of salespeople. And next to each name, there's a product they sold. Now, some salespeople appear multiple times because they sold multiple products. Makes sense, right? When you use normal VLOOKUP to search for a salesperson's name, it finds the first match and stops there. You only see one product, even if that person sold 5 different things. That's just how VLOOKUP works. It's designed to find the first match and move on. But what if you need all of them? That's where today's formula comes in. Now, instead of VLOOKUP, we're going to use 2 functions working together: filter and transpose. Don't let that intimidate you. Once you understand what each one does, this becomes really logical. First, let's talk about filter. The filter function goes through your entire list and pulls out every row that matches your condition. So if you say, show me every row where column A equals the name I'm searching for, it does exactly that. It doesn't stop at the first match, it grabs all of them. Now here's the thing about filter by default. It gives you results going downward in a vertical list. But what if you want those results to go across the row horizontally? That's where transpose comes in. Transpose simply flips the direction. What was going down now goes sideways. Put them together and the formula looks like this. Transpose a filter of your values column, where your names column equals the name you're searching for. That's it. That's the whole logic. Let me walk you through exactly what each piece means. The filter part needs 2 things from you. First, the range where your results are. That's your values column, the products, the numbers, whatever you're trying to pull back. Second, it needs your condition, which column to check and what to check it against. So you're telling it, look through my names column, find every cell that matches my search value. And because we're locking those ranges with $signs, the formula stays anchored when you drag it down to other rows. Your search value, the name you're looking up, that one is not locked, so it updates automatically as you drag down. The ranges stay fixed, the search value moves. Perfect. Wrap all of that inside transpose, and your results flip from vertical to horizontal, spreading across the row. When you press enter after typing this formula, something really satisfying happens. Instead of one lonely result, you get all the matching values appearing at once. Automatically, no dragging across, no copying. Google Sheets just fills them in across the row for you. Then you drag the formula down to your next search value, press enter, and again, all matching results appear instantly. It's one formula doing the work that would have taken you minutes of manual searching. So to recap, normal VLOOKUP gives you one result and stops. But combining filter with transpose gives you every single match, displayed horizontally across your row, automatically. No VBA, no add-ins, no headache. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like this video. Now, it genuinely helps more people find it. And if you want to see how to return those same multiple matches vertically instead of horizontally, I've got that covered too. Check it out next. I'll see you there.